Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you 2 simple and inexpensive home decor items that I made to help me get more organized in my master bathroom in 2019. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. For my mirrored storage unit, I used some of these Dollar Tree silver metallic candle holders, 3 of these 20 by 12 inch mirrors that I picked up from Michael's, and my E6000. So the first thing I did was remove these stickers from the front and the back of my mirrors. These stickers don't come off smoothly, so I used a bit of Goof Off that I also purchased from Dollar Tree to remove the residue. There are tons of ways to remove these stickers, but this method works best for me. Next, I place one of my mirrors face down, and I use my E6000 to attach one of the candle holders to each of the 4 corners of my mirror. I then used that same E6000 to attach 2 of the candle holders together. I repeated those steps 3 additional times, and I allowed all 4 pieces to dry for about 2 hours. Two hours later, I was able to sit my first piece right side up, and then I used E6000 to attach those 4 larger pieces to all 4 corners. I then added additional E6000 to the top of those candle holders, and then I placed down my second mirror. 20 minutes later, I added another row of the candle holders and then my third and final 20 by 12 mirror right on top. I allowed my stand to dry for a complete 24 hours, and here was my finished look. For my mirrored tray, I'm using 4 of the Dollar Tree square mirrors that I used in a previous project, some of their clear acrylic gems. I'm using a tower wood game, some of the Dollar Tree mirror mosaic stickers, as well as 4 glass gems that I had as well. I'm also using some Fix-All adhesive, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I use for both projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was attach 18 of these small wood game pieces together. For the sake of time, I'm using the hot glue here, but you could also use tacky glue, wood glue, or even the Fix-All adhesive. Those options would work well. You'll just have to wait for the glue to dry before moving on to the next step. I then placed my 4 square mirrors face down, and then I used a combination of hot glue and Fix-All adhesive to attach the wood frame to the back of the mirrors. I'm only adding a small amount of hot glue here just to hold my mirrors in place until I can add my frame. I then covered the sides of my wood pieces with my mirrored mosaic stickers. I then added some additional hot glue just to make sure that the wood pieces stayed in place. And then I used a combination of hot glue and Fix-All adhesive to attach the 4 glass gems to the corners of the wood frame. I let this dry for about 20 minutes before flipping over my design and adding my clear acrylic gems. I'll point out here that the Dollar Tree now sells a different clear acrylic gem. The newer bag on the left is now 3.45 ounces. So not only do you get a few more gems, but the quality and the clarity on the newer gems is much better. To add the clear acrylic gems, I simply added some of the Fix-All adhesive and placed the acrylic gems right on top. To complete the project, I removed the hot glue strings, any excess E6000, cleaned my mirrors, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 2 pretty simple and easy home decor projects that should help me stay a bit more organized this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.